This is what sets the 2023 BMW 3 Series apart from its rivals. BMW's 3 Series is a bit like a Reese's peanut butter cup. It's a classic and a favorite that most people from time to time imagine throwing in the proverbial shopping basket. Products like this derive success by way of keeping the same basic recipe and tweaking it as necessary. It might not be everyone's first choice, but they are dependable and predictable. The BMW 3 Series is also dependable and predictable. As a package, a toy, and an indicator of class, it has stayed true to its remit and retained its soul along the way, over many generations and design changes. You know what you are getting with the 3 Series, and with each subsequent evolution and upgrade it manages to integrate more technology, better engines and sharper design without drastically altering its own recipe. In 2023, the premium compact German sedan is largely familiar at a glance from outside, but under the skin things have moved on in order to keep up with the best from rival manufacturers like Mercedes-Benz and Audi. We look once again at the newest 2023 BMW 3 Series, perhaps the sweet spot in BMW's regular range and surely the one which Goldilocks would choose over and over again. From the outside, the latest BMW, upgraded for 2022, looks largely familiar to anyone who has seen the last few generations of the compact sedan. Fortunately for most people, the kidney grills have not become oversized akin to the quick BMW M3 or the BMW M4, but they do stand out thanks to some black highlights which now adorn other parts of the svelte car. For the headlights, sleek LEDs lend the automobile a thoroughly modern and aggressive style, and the front and rear bumpers are changed to include sharper lines. Perhaps the biggest changes to the outside are the L-shaped black vents up front, but otherwise it's business as usual, not necessarily a bad thing. Up to 19-inch wheels are available, and of course, the car is available as a hybrid electric BMW 330e version and the performance-focused M340i xDrive. Inside the 2023 BMW 3 Series sedan, the cabin is of high quality and as stylish as you would by now expect, with quality-feeling materials and an uncluttered design, thanks largely to the cabin's highlight, a large, curved screen. This curved screen is composed of two screens, one 12.3-inch for the instruments and a larger 14.9 for all your infotainment requirements. There is no gear stick as all models put power down to either the rear wheels or to all four in the xDrive version, via an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. The engines are 4-cylinder gasoline units, both 2-liter in capacity, offering 255 horsepower and 5.6 seconds to 60 miles per hour for the BMW 330i, while the 330e adds a small electric motor to provide a total of 288, with no real change to the acceleration time but almost doubling the car's economy from 36 mpg to 75 mpg. Both the BMW 3 Series closest rivals are also stylish, advanced, and desirable. The Mercedes-Benz C-Class and the Audi A4 also have prices that start from around $40,000. The Audi A4 starts from just under that figure, with a smart-looking interior and exterior, but looks arguably less special next to the 3 Series. Its 2-liter, 4-cylinder turbocharged engine makes from just 201 horsepower and takes a longer 6.3 seconds to reach 60 miles per hour, in the Audi A440 TFSI Quattro S-Tronic. Mercedes offers the C300 sedan, which also comes with 255 horsepower like the BMW 3 Series 330i, but starts from over $43,000, with the only option being a hybrid engine. It can reach 60 miles per hour in 6 seconds, again slower than the BMW, and you need to pay more for all-wheel drive. For just over $41,000 and on paper at least, the BMW 3 Series looks like good value considering the great design and specs on offer. While the Mercedes-Benz C300 sedan has a very attractive and distinctive interior, it also lacks the classy, subdued and more cohesive design of the BMW's cabin. BMW also offers something called the M340i, a more performance-focused version of the sedan with a 6-cylinder engine and upgraded suspension, brakes and slight design tweaks. Although Mercedes-Benz and Audi for that matter also offer the AMG C43 4MATIC and S4 respectively, BMW's own M340i xDrive is an accomplished and well-executed product that perhaps manages to look better than the other two. It looks like a bargain, even within BMW's own model range. It costs $54,000, barely $10,000 more than the BMW 3 Series 330e xDrive, but offers acceleration close to that of a standard BMW M3, for $15,000 less. In addition, it also loses only 4 mpg economy over the basic BMW 330i, while delivering 382 horsepower and hitting 0 miles per hour in as little as 4.4 seconds. The main reason for the 3 Series' excellence and desirability isn't necessarily due to the failure of its rivals, if not simply the fact that it is many things to many people, a trusty workhorse and luxury possession which hits the sweet spot just as it always has done.